Welcome to the Advanced Guide to BMO Student Account, designed to help students navigate the world of banking with confidence. A BMO student account is a type of bank account specifically designed for students, offering a range of benefits and features to help manage finances effectively. To get started, you will need to meet the eligibility criteria, which typically includes being a student enrolled in a post-secondary institution and providing proof of enrollment. Once you have met the eligibility criteria, you can apply for a BMO student account online or in person at a BMO branch. One of the key benefits of a BMO student account is the lack of monthly fees, which can help save you money over time. Additionally, you will have access to a debit card, online banking, and mobile banking, making it easy to manage your finances on the go. In terms of account management, it is essential to understand how to keep track of your transactions, balance, and account activity. You can do this by setting up account alerts, which will notify you of any unusual activity or when your balance falls below a certain threshold. Another important aspect of a BMO student account is the overdraft protection, which can help prevent overdrafts and associated fees. It is crucial to understand how overdraft protection works and how to avoid overdrafts by keeping track of your account balance and transactions. To make the most of your BMO student account, it is recommended to take advantage of the budgeting tools and resources available. These tools can help you create a budget, track your expenses, and set financial goals. Additionally, you can use the account to save for long-term goals, such as tuition fees or living expenses. In terms of best practices, it is essential to regularly review your account statements, keep your account information up to date, and monitor your account activity for any suspicious transactions. By following these best practices, you can ensure that your BMO student account is working effectively for you and helping you achieve your financial goals. In conclusion, a BMO student account is a valuable tool for students looking to manage their finances effectively. By understanding the key benefits, features, and best practices, you can make the most of your account and set yourself up for long-term financial success.